Hello, children. Good morning. So, today we are going to learn about a new concept, the broadcast. So, do you want to see a magic? Let's see. When I click on red, green flag, okay, it's a candle burning. When I click on red button, it switches off. When I click on green button, it's come up. So today we are going to learn how to code for this broadcast. It's the most simple thing you know. So broadcast means sending message. Broadcast, the word means. So here, when you click on green button, the code is when this sprite is clicked, that's the event. You have to broadcast on the light. You're sending this message. Similarly, when you click on red button, when this sprite is clicked, broadcast off the light. So the message is sent as off the light. But somewhere the message which is sending have to be received. So the message is received by the candle. So in candle, we first have when green flag clicked, you have to keep it on. The candle is burning. But when it receives the message as off the light, so that comes from events. When you make a broadcast, you have when we receive this message, what should it do? So when the candle receives the message as off the light from the red button, the costume gets to off the light. The flame vanishes. Similarly, when it receives on the light, the candle costume comes up with the flame. So today we are going to do this. So let's get ready. So let's start with the coding of broadcast. So we don't want a cat here. This bright, let's delete it. We want a candle or a lamp. Let's see if we find anything in our library. Do we find any lamp there? There are candles, but it would be better if we get a lamp. Any lamp? So I can go to things. So let's take a candle with a different color. Fine. So we take a candle, push it. Let's grow it so that it looks good. Okay. So here comes the costume. We have A and B. So the flames are going here and there. That's good. So for the candle, let me put a better color for it. So that's my candle. Again. Let's fill the color. That's better, right? We have two, but the one we need the flame to be off, right? Let's turn off the flame and put the smoke. Yeah, make it white. Okay, we can take a eraser. Yeah, and let me take a brush. Yeah, And the flame, I think flame will good look at, we look with the gray colors. Let's make it thicker. So this is the second costume which goes off, right? When we blow the candle, it gives such a effect. Okay, I'm trying to be creative. You can be more. So let's see. We have taken the candle. Let's take another sprite as buttons. So I'm taking two balls, which will help me to look like a button. Take another ball. Let's color it as. So let's make it big. That will give a good look. That's my one ball or the one button. Yes, that's it. Now let's position it wherever you like. Let's change the costume. One as a green, the other as a red. Let me fill it with a red color. Okay, that's what a red button looks like. Now it's time for our, we can delete the other buttons. I don't want the other buttons. Similarly, that's it. So my green and red button. So again, rename it as, click on it, button green, and button red. That makes sense, right? So this is how you gave the name for your buttons. Now let's go to the scripts. So when the green button is clicked, so we have events. When this sprite clicked, we have to broadcast the message. We have to send a message. What message? On the candle, right? So let's make a new message on the, let there be light. Let's do that. Let there be light. That's good. Okay. Similarly, for the red button, when the sprite is clicked, that's the event, and broadcast, let's broadcast a new message which says darkness around. So that's the message. Okay. So let's see how it looks. So now you have sent the message, but there have to be an object which receives this message, and that would be our candle. So here, when the green flag is clicked, we have to give it the proper costume with the light on. So looks, switch costume to candle A. So when I receive, so we receive two messages. Let there be light and darkness around. So when it receives let there be light, switch costume to candle A, and when we receive darkness around, light. Let's check how it works. So it's with a flame. So this is how the broadcast works. So we can do some things. Sorry. Yeah. Let's give it a animation. Let's select the flame. Okay. E2. So when let's and put it forever. So that gives a realistic picture of a candle. Forever. So see. So the broadcast shows when green flag click, the light comes, and the red button click, so the flame comes up. So this is how the broadcast works. So thank you, children. Thank you so much. I hope you understood the concept of broadcast. Depending on this, we are going to do a different assignment. In that, in the next assignment, we are going to make a paint in the scratch. So you know how the paintbrush works, right? We are going to make an assignment of paint using the broadcast. So hope you understood the assignment. Try to be more creative and take out your imaginations on the scratch, and take care. Have a good day. Bye.